Our storm system is still a bit back to the west. It'll be here this evening and into the overnight hours. This is our enhanced satellite showing the front associated with our system. Right in here you can clearly see the line starting to develop. That's all moving in our general direction. It'll bring us some stormy weather as we head into the evening and the overnight hours. Dew point index currently is 71 degrees. That's humid. That may come up another degree or two as we head toward the late evening hours. And our future track radar showing the position of our front and our squall line associated with our front back to the west, still by 6 o'clock. A lot of cloud cover. We're already seeing that. But as this moves toward our area, about 9, maybe 10 o'clock, giving us a good chance of some severe weather. Tornadoes are not out of the question. Strong thunderstorms and some very heavy rain at times and some very, very gusty winds. In fact, some of the forecast models are predicting winds anywhere around 50 miles an hour as this squall line makes its way through the state of Florida. And again, on Monday morning, just a few showers around, maybe Monday about 7, 8 o'clock, another little line of showers, a lot lighter in nature, nothing severe at this point, according to most of the models. And then starting to clear out a little bit as we head toward Monday afternoon with our clearing skies on Tuesday, and our winds will start to settle down as well. From the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, and the National Weather Service, they're giving our area here now a moderate risk. That's a pretty high area of probability for the western portions of Florida and the central portions of Florida, northern portions of Florida, and also southern portions of Georgia. Very good chance that we could see strong thunderstorms and severe weather, and as I mentioned, possibility of tornadoes is always a possibility with this system as well. So for today, the lightning risk is quite high, damaging winds is quite high, and the flooding and hail potential is a little bit lower, and the tornado risk, as I've got it now, is a moderate risk. That's about a 40% chance of seeing a tornado. This could come up as we get a little closer to the evening and overnight hours. We'll see how this shapes out, what the Storm Prediction Center thinking is, and National Weather Service thinking is, as to the tornado potential and the volatility of our atmosphere as the storm system, the front and the squall line gets closer to our area. Lows tonight in the mid-60s and high temperatures tomorrow right up to about 70 degrees for our day on Monday, and windy. For the boaters the next couple of days, a small craft advisory for our Monday, 12 to 16-foot swells, very rough on the intercoastal waterways, bays and inlets, and not even to mention the open ocean with the south and southwest and west wind driving all that water on shore and really building our waves over the next 12 to 24 hours. And a high temperature on Monday right around 70 degrees. And your Mr. Sparky 7-day forecast looking pretty good once we get past Monday with our windy day on Monday. 40% chance of rain, that's mainly in the morning hours. And then clearing out for our Tuesday, the winds will start to settle down and we get back to close to average. This is where we should be, a high temperature around 70 and the overnight low around 53. That's our average for this time of year. So we're going to be close to that until we get to the middle of the week. Then we got another front that'll approach from the west and bumping our rain chances up ever so slightly, but bringing us cooler air as we head into next weekend. There you go, folks. Enjoy.